What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome to the TikToks. So I picked up a Extreme Pro memory card for this RoadCam. So I picked this up from Walmart, and then I bought one brand new on eBay to also outfit my wife's vehicle. So this is a Yada RoadCam AI Plus 4K AI DashCam and rear cam set. So this is 4K 1080p resolution, speed detection, auto notifications, distance detection, smart incident recording, GPS, as well as this also has a few other features, including in it. If I flip it over, you might be able to see those two little lines at the bottom. Those will light up depending on what side of the vehicle is next to you is on. So it'll also detect, it monitors the lines on the road, so it also will detect. It's got the side detection, as well as it can assist on letting you know if you're too close to a vehicle. It also has detection, so say you're sitting at a stoplight and you're behind somebody and they drive forward because the light turns green, but you're not paying attention, it'll actually beep and alert you that the vehicle in front of you is moved. It's got 360 degree view with this setup. It's got obstacle detection, pedestrian detection. It has settings for side detection. Whether as well as changing lanes detection. So, if your vehicle's veering because you're falling asleep, as an example, it will alert you that you are veering into the next lane or off the road because it's monitoring the dotted lines on the road. It's got quite a bit of features. And I'm actually going to be installing this into the truck. You can see that I already opened this. I put the sticker on upside down. Rear camera is a 1080p camera. The front camera does 1080p, 4K, and one other. I can't remember what the other one was. 2.4K. That's what it is. Yeah, 4K, 2.4K, and 1080p. It comes with a 64 gig memory card. This can take up to a 512 gig. That's what I purchased. 12 volt, 20 volt power adapter to 11.5 feet, 3.5 meter USB-A to USB-C cable. Comes with 3M VHB double-sided tape, spare, an electrostatic sticker, and instruction manual. So I'm going to pull this out the box. I'm going to pause you guys. There we go. So we have the dual cameras in here. There we go. There's that guy. And then this guy. Set you guys there. And the reason I already opened this is I actually did a YouTube video. So here's the camera. There we go. And they state to put these on the window. So the back window and the front window. Got your little instruction booklet. It actually came folded inside this little sleeve. Here is the back camera, which is a 2.5 millimeter stereo cable. Here is the charger cable. USB-A to USB-C. You got your little charge brick. And they do have a wire kit that is just not available yet, but they do have a hardwire kit for this. And then there. Just plug this into my little Milwaukee top off over here. Right there. I'm going to sit you guys up. Like so. And it connects on the top. Like so. And then this one also connects on the top for the second camera. Like that. The AI features are for assisted purposes only. So it's recording at the moment. We're not driving or anything. It does detect the second camera. GPS is on. It's got a memory card, G sensor. And then you can back out. So it shows both cameras, rear camera, front camera. I rotate it. So it needs to go this way to be upright. So if I rotate this guy around town, it's now upside down. There we go. So it's going to have to be mounted just like that. So this is going to have to be on the left side. Let's see if I can put this down. There we go. Turn you guys there. Yeah, so it reverses the polarity. Yep. So it is upside down. That is up, right side up. Yep, so it reverses it. So this is going to have to be mounted this way. But all in all, it's a nice little camera setup. It's got a bunch of features. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go install this, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so what I'm going to have to do, because it is so hot out here, I'm going to have to do a separate video on what it looks like after it's installed, because everything is just so extremely hot to the touch. I think if I'm gonna mount this, I think it's going to immediately fall off because of this tape. The glass is at least 190 degrees out here, so I'm gonna have to probably do this tonight, get all of this mounted up. I mean, the steering wheel is at least 190 degrees, at least. It's very hard to touch. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the wire up in this channel here, and then I'm gonna run it down behind the mirror, and I'm gonna mount the camera about right here behind the mirror, which is where it's recommended. They recommend putting it behind the mirror at the highest point, center of the vehicle. So kind of just measure right here, center of the vehicle, center of the dash. And then I'm going to run the wire up in the glass channel down this pillar, run it down behind, and then I'm going to run it across, and I'm going to tuck it behind this panel back here, and then it's going to get ran like I have these ran in my mole panel. I'm going to run it under, it's going to come across here, and it's just going to plug in here. So here's the power cord. It'll be long enough. And then the back one, the back camera, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to run it down the passenger side, roof liner all the way across, and then